Davis, and I'm in 5th grade.
Hi, I'm Haley Davis, and I'm in 3rd grade. And I'm Gavin Davis, and I'm in 2nd grade.
And this is the Rube Goldberg Machine that makes coffee.
I will start the chain reaction by pushing this strip into these DVDs, which will knock them down one by one. And then the DVDs will knock into these canvases and release the magnet inside this cup, and the momentum will propel the straw up there down the string.
The vial attached to the straw will knock into these balls. They will go down here and hit these other balls, and they'll start a chain reaction. They will go down the ramps into the cup, which will pull the lever and push the stick up.
When the stick goes up, it will release the ball, which will go down the track over here, down this ramp into the cup, and the cup will pull this toothpick away and which will close this lid and start coffee.
It's time for school!
It's time for school! It's time for school! Oh no, they're still asleep. What are we gonna do?